Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to stop friends seeing my post on Facebook. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Firstly, launch the Facebook app on your Android device. Either create a new post or locate the post you want to adjust. So for me, I will create a new post. Look for the audience selector or privacy settings. It's often located near the post button and displays the default audience for your post. Tap on the audience selector to open the menu of privacy options. Choose the desired privacy setting. Options typically include public, visible to everyone, on or off Facebook, friends, visible to your friends on Facebook, only me, visible only to you, specific friends, allows you to choose specific people or list. Now, to see specific, go to see more. If you choose specific friends, you can further customize the audience by selecting specific friends, friend list, or excluding certain people. Once you choose them, tap Done on the top right. Then tap Done again. After selecting your desired privacy setting, go ahead and post your content. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.